Hi, I'm Dr. Mohal Banker, intervention radiologist, and today I'm going to discuss base treatment for the elbow joint pain. So there are two most common conditions for elbow joint pain. First one is known as a tennis elbow. In tennis elbow, the pain occurs on the outer side of the elbow, and second one known as a golfer elbow. And in golfer elbow, the pain occurs on the inner side of the elbow. However, tennis elbow is 5 times more common than the golfer's elbow. Now, tennis elbow itself is a misnomer term because only 5% of the patients who develop the tennis elbow they actually played the game tennis. Rest of the 95% of the patients never played the game uh, of tennis. So, tennis elbow can develop in any patients who have a excessive computer use, heavy lifting, or forceful forearm pronation and supination movement, or repetitive uh, work of vibration through the hand. So tennis elbow can occur in any such kind of patients. They may not have played the tennis game, but still develop this kind of tennis elbow. Now, in all these patients, basically complaint is that patients develop the pain on the outer side of the elbow over here, and it may loosen the grip of the wrist joint because of this tennis elbow. And there are four stages of this tennis elbow. First one, that pain occurs after hours after the provoking activity. In second stage, pain occurs immediately after provoking activity. In third stage, pain during the provoking activity, which intensifies after stopping that activity. And in fourth stage, constant dull aching pain occurs into the elbow joint. So these are the different stages of the tennis elbow. It depends on which stage patients come, but patient has a main complaint is pain. Now there are lots of non-surgical treatment available for the tennis elbow, like taking brace medicine, like painkiller medicines, physical therapy, wearing the braces to support the elbow joint, and steroid and PRP injections at the site of pain. But what if all these things doesn't work? Then what to do the next? So Dr. Yuji Okuno, he has first published this new treatment for tennis elbow, and he has shown that in at the site of tennis elbow, uh, near the lateral epicondyle, there is a chronic inflammatory reaction is going on, and to deliver the inflammatory agents like cytokines, body develop the hypervascularity at the local site. And if we target this local hypervascularity, we embolize this neovascularization, then the cytokines release can be prevented. And because cytokines are not released at the local site, the chronic inflammatory process stops, and that's why the pain is reduced at the local site. So let's have a look on it, how this procedure can be performed. So there is a normal elbow joint, and you can see over here these are the main brachial artery. It's a branches over here, and this is a radial recurrent artery. So this is how normal elbow joint angiography looks like. But in tennis elbow, this hypervascular area is developed near the elbow joint. So this is very important thing. First we do the angiography and try to identify this hypervascular area. And there are three main vessels which are involved for tennis elbow. First one is a radial recurrent artery, interosseous recurrent artery, and radial collateral artery. These three vessels should be selectively cannulated, and selective angiography should be done. And once we identify such hypervascularity area, like in this case, embolize it with the small particles, and uh, once we embolize these small particles, hypervascular area will disappear, and the cytokines release can be stopped, in this local area. So this post-embolization, this angiography looks like over here, hypervascularity area is disappear, but the main vessels is intact. And by doing this, chronic inflammatory process stops over here and the pain is reduced. The patient complaint also significantly reduced. So in conclusion, tennis elbow embolization procedure is much safer and it gives promising results, done under local anesthesia, no cut, no suture, done with just needle puncture, and patient can resume his day-to-day life from the same day. It's couple of hours procedure. So uh, tennis elbow embolization, it's really gives a promising results. For more information, you can visit my website drmohalbanker.com, and you can send me email if you have any queries. I will be happy to answer you.